how the hell he's going to do this, because the traffic is going like a bat out of hell through here in this lane. Of course, right now there's no traffic. That figures. Oh, there's one. Whoops. Yeah. You can't really tell how fast they're going from this. They're hooking it. But he has to accelerate this truck, which is real slow, into that traffic. And he's got to do it in that much space. It ain't gonna happen. There's no way you can move that truck that quick. This thing is slow. He's got to go. If I stand by the front of the truck, he's got that much room to accelerate into traffic. And this is the traffic. They're coming off the southbound 405.